Hi, I'm David McQuillan, a senior specialist on ATG's reality capture team. Take a look at our footage from our recent reality capture demo day. Jeff Landers takes us through how to set up your point cloud in Revit so it can be more easily modeled.
And what I'm wanting to do now is just simply move it closer to the middle of our project. So I can just grab it, move it here. And now I also need to rotate it to project north by simply using my rotate tool. Place a point. This is the actual north end of the house. And I'm going to turn that to here. Again, look for it, make sure it's centered. We just grab it, stick it up in here. So we'll turn the selection off on the link. We'll move in here. Now we can see the floor plan. Now we can see a lot of the floor. So in order to make that easier to see, we can edit our view range. And I like to bring this up to about 3.5 feet. That gets it above cabinets and stuff that you may not want to see. I hit the wrong thing. Get this back to 0. This to 3.5. Now, without drawing anything, we can basically see the floor plan of the house. Right here. And now we're actually ready to model inside of Revit. So Revit, as I said, recognizes the point cloud. So if we go into like an architectural wall command and we go pick the correct wall, see if there's actually one in here. There's not. So I'm just going to go get an interior partition. Edit type, duplicate. We'll get the right size going here. Now we created our new wall. I'm going to be ready to go. I'm going to change this to exterior, and I'm going to simply start drawing walls in here. You see how it clicks or snaps to the point cloud? And I can simply just follow that wall down to the end, right here, and boom, I got that wall in. I can do it on the next wall here. Just start right here. And then it just follows the point cloud through. And then you just stop that right there. So forth and so on. So, and this closet information here didn't come in real well, but we can see enough of the wall to know that there's a thicker wall here. And I can just come over in here quickly. Start drawing the walls of the house.
So Jeff, those when you're laying those walls in there, it's just it's automatically snapping to the point cloud there for you.
Yes, it is. It's auto. It snaps to it. Even though I go back in the wall command, I'll pick a wall that's close to the exterior. I'll just use this in here. Oh, when I snap to this, it just follows the point cloud across there.
Okay.
It's real easy to go around and draw these exterior walls and stuff. Sometimes on a crooked wall like that, you have to turn the snaps off to get it in the right place. But that's easy to do, and you just keep on going.
So even though you have to trace the information inside of Revit, there's no magic buttons as far as drawing this out. Revit's really good at identifying that information in the point cloud without really, too much interaction from you.
It recognizes the point cloud, snaps to it, makes it real easy to go ahead and do your tracing. Revit works with levels, so we're in this wall command, and we come up here. We're at the level 1. Should have set the top of that, but I can go through here, get out of the wall command. Select all the walls, level 1, top constraint, up to level 2, and then that'll apply that and go for it. And we can go back in here and check the 3D view, turn some stuff off. Let's just turn the point cloud off. Apply, and there are the walls that I drew. So you can quickly go through here, getting all those walls put in place, and quickly have a floor plan of this project.